In this video, I'm going to show you how to make iPhone findable when turned off or when powered off. So if you want to turn off your iPhone and you press and hold down the power button and the side button just like this, then you'll see iPhone findable after power off. So this implies that if your iPhone is turned off, you'll still be able to use Find My to find your iPhone and track its current location. So in this video, I'll show you what to turn on to make sure your iPhone is findable when turned off. So there are a few things you need to do here, and you want to make sure you walk through this explicit process. Make sure that your iPhone is findable when it is turned off. So if another of this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Then click on location service. Make sure location service is turned on. That is compulsory. This will allow iPhone to track your location even when your iPhone is turned off. Then under share my location, come to system services and click on that, and then make sure find my iPhone is enabled. If this is turned off, your iPhone will not be findable when it is powered off or when it is turned off. You see this? So make sure this feature is enabled. Then after that, come to the iPhone settings again. On settings page, you want to click on your Apple ID or profile icon, this. Then once you click on that, click on Find My. Once you selected Find My, click on Find My iPhone. Make sure Find My iPhone is enabled. Find My Network is also enabled. And Send My Last Location is also enabled. Then hit the back button. Then come to My Last Location and then share my location. Make sure this is enabled. Then there you go. So whenever your iPhone is turned off, your iPhone will be findable on the Apple network and you'll be able to track your iPhone location. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.